In this video, we'll show you how to change the spark plugs on your Ford Fusion. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. We advise you to change the spark plugs one by one, as it is important not to swap coils. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Do not pull on the power cable, as this may damage the coil. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, remove the bolt holding the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 16mm spark plug socket, loosen the spark plug. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the spark plug. You can order the spark plugs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Grab the new spark plug. Put the new spark plug in place by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to gently bring it to the screwing support. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with the socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the tightening torque recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Put the coil back. While holding the assembly, screw the retaining bolt back in by hand. Screw it in until it makes contact using the ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Plug the electrical connector back in. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Operation complete.